Model, 65-plate Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 TDI 136PS high roof van, non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 163158. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 136 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. Timing belt has snapped. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Worth putting the time and effort into this to get it back on the road. OK, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,750. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call